and families, it's Miss Tessa
Miss Emily,
And Miss Jess.
and we're going to show you around the new studio today.
come on with us. Welcome to Dance 101's new location. Every time you come in, you'll find a friendly face at the desk to greet you and answer any questions.
Here's the Dance 101 lobby. In the lobby we have chairs for parents to sit and other toys for kids to play with while they wait for their siblings in class.
In our lobby, we sell different Dance 101 merchandise. We have different shirts, tap ties, water bottles, and over here we have different styles of our Dance 101 gear, as well as leotards and tights.
Come on with us down the hallway. We have 2 bathrooms for our students to use, drinking fountains. Here you'll find our lost and found. And also, if you forgot a piece of attire or need to borrow something, ask a staff member for help. We have extra leotards, tights, and socks, anything that you would need for class. Further down the hallway, you'll find our community dresser. In this dresser, we do a recycling program where students can bring their shoes that they have grown out of and find a pair to wear. This is helpful if you forget your shoes for class or we have kids trying classes out. We also offer urban shoes as well.
As you get towards the end of the hallway, we have more seating for you.
Students can line up on the rainbow dots and then they'll be ready to enter the studio once class begins.
We now have 3 studios to better serve you. Come on in.
Have a look into Studio 2.
Now come on in to Studio 3.
Thanks for watching!
We'll see you in class.
Dance 101, where great dancers get their start.